Welcome. In this video, we are gonna break down complexities of measurements into simple and easy to understand concepts. From rulers to microscopes, get ready to explore how scientists quantify and understand the world around us. So, what exactly are measurements? Well, think of them as a way to figure out how big, small, hot, cold, heavy, or light something is. Scientists use measurements to describe and compare different things, helping them make sense of the world. Let's start with length. Imagine you have a pencil. How do you know how long it is? You use a ruler, of course. A ruler helps you measure the length of the pencil in inches or centimeters. Next up, temperature. Have you ever wondered how hot or cold something is? That's where a thermometer comes in handy. It measures temperature in degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit, helping us understand if it is hot enough to go swimming or cold enough to wear a coat. Now let's talk about weight. If you want to know how heavy something is, you use a scale. Whether it's weighing apples at the grocery store or measuring the mass of a rock, a scale helps us understand how much things weigh in grams or kilograms. But measurements aren't just about everyday objects. Scientists also use them to explore mysteries of the universe. Take a microscope, for example. It helps scientists see tiny things that are too small to see with just our eyes, like cells and bacteria. And what about time? How do we measure it? With a clock, of course, whether it's a traditional clock ticking away the seconds or a digital clock on your phone. Time measurements help us keep track of our day. So, why are measurements important in science? Well, they help us ask questions, make predictions, and solve problems. Whether it's figuring out how fast a car is going or how big the universe is, measurements are the key to understanding the world. In conclusion, science measurements are like the building blocks of knowledge. They help us understand the world around us, from the tiniest atoms to the vastness of space. So, the next time you measure something, remember that you are taking a small step towards understanding the wonders of the world. Thank you for joining me through the basics of measurements. Keep measuring, keep exploring, keep asking questions, and we'll see you next time.